What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, I'm on the MCPE Master app. So some of you guys might already know about this, or maybe you have no clue, but pretty much it's like a too many items mod for MCPE and also works on 0.14.3, which is really cool. So the main thing I want to show you guys is a new feature they added. Is called a rapid build, so it's awesome. You guys can check it out for yourself. It is for Android only, so I'll leave the link in the description below, and if you guys enjoy, be sure to drop a like and also leave a comment below. So when you open up the app, it's gonna look like this. So you can go to maps, you can go to skins, textures, all this awesome stuff. So if you are new to this app and have no clue how to get to MCPE through this app, what you need to do is click on that little controller down the bottom. Just click on it just like that, and then it will open up MCPE. So you just have to wait just a few seconds, and there we go. So now we can get into a game. So I'm just going to open up a world just like this, create a new world, and you should see this little watermark right here. So you can, move that around if you hold your finger on it. So if I click on that, this is what's going to pop up. So we can go into game, we can, it's pretty much like too many items one. So we can do survival, creative, we can change the time, we can do some rain, just like that. So I'm going to show you guys just a quick little brief overview of this awesome kind of app slash mod. And yeah, so we can turn this off. We can also have some lightning. You can also add a minimap. So if I click on that, it's going to display a minimap, and also we can click on it to remove it and then click back to, reappear. So we can also zoom in and zoom out. So the next one is the HP. So if I turn that on, we can, place a mob just like that, and a little HP bar is going to show. So I'm just quickly showing you guys this in case you have no idea. I mentioned that before. So we can do items, and that's, pretty much going to add an item just like the Too Many Items mod. We can enchant something crazy. So if I turn Infinite level on and I add, I added my favorite. So we can do add, and I can't do that in creative, so I do need to be in survival, so I can quickly change to that, and then we can go and press add, and check this out. This is going to be legendary because, hello Mr. Cow, how are you doing? Boom. Whoa, what is this? Thank you? I don't know what to say. That was a ton. So you can also set your own potion effects. So say I wanted some speed, I apply that, and now I am a little bit faster. So that's really cool. But the thing is, if you want it to be a little bit crazy, you can go into options and go into advanced, and then let me just clear this off and add that again. So apply, and now I am a speed demon. I'm pretty much the Flash now. I am the speed of the Flash. Look at that. That is insane. So the next one is the rapid build. Now this is the new thing I wanted to show you guys because it is awesome. So if you're a little bit lazy like myself at building and you don't want to place a block one by one because that is a lot of work. Come on, if you wanted to do a massive build of something like maybe a tower, a castle, you can use this and it's going to just make your time a lot more faster. So if I turn on a switch just like that, I increase my length and I tap off the screen. Look at this. So if I just place a block down, it could be any block you want. I can just go like that, and there we go. So I can also tap on here, and I can increase that to 20, maybe even 1,000, but that might lag your device, but it will eventually work. But let's try this. So 20, if I go like this, there we go. So that's really awesome. You can also add a gap. So if I wanted to do 2, just like that, and this one is already done. So if I tap on the ground, there we go. So there is a 2 gap between the blocks. So now if I wanted to do, say, 4, now it's going to be 4. So look at this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is really cool. And we can also do vertical up and vertical down. So if I wanted to do vertical up, I can just go like that, and that's going to happen just like that. So we can place a bunch of blocks, and everything is going all weird. And also the time is, it's nighttime, so I have to turn that into daytime. So the gap is now on 0. So now we can just, place a block vertically up just like that. 20 blocks high, you can do even 100, 1000, but it might lag a little bit. So now we can just spam this out just like that, whatever block I'm holding. So let's see if it works with stairs. I think it does. Yes, it does. Look at that. That's weird. So what about torches? Yeah, we can actually make that rain. So look at this. Boom, and now it's raining torches. So that's pretty cool. So say you're placing blocks down just like this, and you kind of messed up. So say you wanted this block right here, but you accidentally did this, and you don't want to break that because that is, it'll take a little bit of time. So you can actually undo that by just, tapping on there, and you can do a quick undo button, or you can just do it right here. So I can undo that. but I don't think you can undo all of it, because if I was to place like 200 of these, and you know, let me just place it like this, and I don't think, whoa, I made a mess, but I don't think I'm going to be able to undo that, because I don't think I'll be able, yeah, look at that, I can't do it all the way. I think you can only do it like 5 or 6 times, something like that. I think I kind of made a mess right here, but you get the point. If you were to legitimately use this to, you know, build something awesome, then it will be really useful to you. So the next one is something really cool as well. So if we go back into that, make sure the switch is off. So, you know, if you were to do this and, you know, just go like that, make sure the switch is off, because now you can't do that. It's just going to place one block down. So the next one is this one right here. So we can turn this into a solid, a hollow, and also a frame. So the length and the width and the height you can change. So I already set that as what it is right now. So if I place any block down that I'm holding, so if I wanted to do ice, I can just go like this, and now I have a frame. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. So I can do a maybe TNT over here, just like that, and it's gonna make like a cube. So we can also make this into a solid. So like I said before, we can do this. So I can go like that, and everything is gonna be solid. So if I was to, you know, try and break in, every single block in there is, you know, already placed. But we can also do hollows. So we can, you know, make a house from that. So if I wanted to do hollow, I can just go like that. And I'm going to make it, of course, out of jungle wood or any type of wood. And I can just go like this. And I'm a little bit stuck. I'm stuck, help. Okay. Almost got stuck. But now it is hollow. So I can just go like this. And now I think, yeah, there we go. I have a house in one build. But, of course, you have to change the height and maybe the length and all that kind of stuff. But look at this. Awesome. Really awesome. So I can do maybe TNT. Let's get out of here and just drop it like that. And there we go. I now have a TNT house. So we can set a radius of maybe, let's see, what's a good radius? Let's try 24. Just like that. And it's going to be a hollow for the first one. So we're going to do this out of, let's do a different block. Because I want to do, what's a good block to choose? I'm going to do a yellow stained clay. Now if I tap on the ground just like that, there we go. We now have a hollow sphere. So I have to go all the way up here because I kind of got stuck in here. And it is dark, so I need to break through. There we go. And now look at that. So I built, you know, I built this massive sphere in just one tap. So that is crazy. So the next one we can do a solid. So of course it's not going to be hollow in the inside. So that's pretty much what it means. So if I tap on the ground like that, I might be stuck. Yes, I am. So that was a really bad idea. So I need to try and get out. So this might take a little bit. So, oh geez, I should have not done that. So there we go. Finally got out. But look at that. We now have like 2 kind of, maybe planets of some type. So yeah, they can actually be used as like a planet or something like that. But, oh, what is going on here? It actually went through the other block. That's really cool. I really like that. So that's pretty much it for the sphere. So we can use, you know, whatever block you want. We can set that radius to maybe even like 500. But of course, that might crash your MCPE. So starting to get nighttime again. So let's change it back into noon. Usually what you'll do is tap on the ground and then tap on the note block to set the right key for it to play. Well, with rapid build, you can actually set the certain key that you want it to set it as. So if I go back into that, go into options, which I'm already at, we can tap on this. So we can either do light or we can do full. So this is going to, you know, display a bunch of random numbers right here. If you play around with it, you'll eventually get the right key. So if I was to do #2, just like that, and now if I place it on the ground, if you guys listen really carefully, if I place it on the ground right now, it plays that sound right there. So that's what it didn't play before. So if I choose, let's say, the third one, and I tap on the ground, it plays a different sound. That's pretty much it for today. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. See ya.